Hi guys, welcome to the next video. This is PM Garage. My name is Art. I will remind you that I'm a corporate PM, corporate technical PM to be sure, and they have nothing to do with car maintenance or YouTube until now. For now, I have two new vehicles, 2022 Ford Escape Titanium and 2025 Hyundai Sonata N-Line, which do not give me any troubles, so I don't have anything to do with them. Even oil change is scheduled like in half a year. So I decided to fix this issue. I have something in my hand. This is a piece of luxury back in 20 years ago. So meet my new friend, which will give me a lot of troubles, headaches, and everything you like, and I do. So meet W220.
Everyone's scary to buy this guy, but corporate PM scares nothing because he has a plan. He has a plan. He has a plan. Deep diagnostics running, checking sensors, checking the span. Old money lines in the chatties, feel the lineage of the clan. High risk asset, but I'm mitigating every scan. Every scan, luxury sedan, but they fear the repair. Pneumatic suspension lifting up into the air. Got the milestones tracked, I don't give a flare. Just a roadmap for the project in the cold night glare. Transformation should be made, but will he pull it out? Scope creep on the overhaul, no room for the doubt. Turnaround time coming, hear the motor shout. Luxury project in the dark, that's what it's all about. Yeah, transformation should be made, but will he pull it out? Everyone's scary to buy this guy, but corporate PM scares nothing.
The most
he
complicated
has a plan.
Mercedes-Benz that had a lot of issue. Nobody likes him, so I bought it.
Milestone zero, check the logic, check the fan. W2020 on the lift, execute the master plan. Electron train control units humming like a quiet man. Electropration control units humming like a quiet man. Depreciation curve hitting zero, I'm the catalyst. Complex systems in the dark, check them off the list. Turnaround timeline, precision in the wrist. If it wasn't complicated, it wouldn't exist. Transformation should be made, but will he pull it out? Scope creep on the overhaul, no room for the doubt. Turnaround time coming, hear the motor shout. Luxury project in the dark, that's what it's all about. Yeah, transformation should be made, but will he pull it out? Plan, execute it, scope complete, pulling it out. W220 corporate P, yeah.
I will treat this guy like a real project, real corporate project. Well, the light version of that. So I will have all the tasks that we need to perform, or I will need to perform, and I will show you how I will execute them. Technical tasks, some interior tasks, and exterior tasks, and also some improvements, which I like a lot.